Hey guys, I hope everybody's health is doing great. We got another 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. We went ahead and installed the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. This area is really hot for leaving the car in full bricks and breaking windows. And what they do to this truck, they leave it in full blocks, or they like to break in and steal the airbags. And sometimes they try to get that big screen radio out. It's getting a little popular now, stealing those radios. So we end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way the customer doesn't have to carry an extra key fob around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the lock, on the window. That should fire off the alarm. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rearm it. I'll do the back window all the way in the back. And yeah, it works both sides evenly. Any tires that they bang out, if they try to bust out these lug nut locks, he went ahead and got two of them. So normally what they do, they can't what they do, they stick a socket and hammer it in by pressure, and you'll see it on the bottom of the video how they do it to loosen up these lug nut locks. And then the shock, the minute they try to pry these out, the alarm will fire off. Plus when the truck falls in the bricks, that should fire off the alarm as well. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the tire. So yeah, this thing takes care of the whole truck from bumper to bumper. I'm gonna hit the back of the window, and that will be the last thing. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We're auto alarm specialists here based on Miami. If anybody is watching this video and you're out of state, don't worry. You can give us a call. I'll guide you where you can get this done, whatever state you're in. So you don't have to drive all the way to Miami. Even though we had once in a blue moon, we get somebody who comes from other states that they're coming to Miami, and they went ahead and got this done too as well. But if you're not in any plans to drive to Miami and you want to get it done, just give us a call, and I can guide you very easily how to get this done wherever you are. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back glass. And that will fire off the alarm as well. The alarm will ring for 3.5 minutes. I went ahead and cut it off, so I don't want to annoy the neighbors around here. So yeah, don't think that it's just going to ring for that little period of time and that's it. No, it will ring for 3.5 minutes. And all the factory alarms reset. So if you park the truck and you're going to be away for a long time, you don't have to worry about this alarm firing off. And then when you get back, you have a dead battery. Don't worry about that. They after 3.5 minutes, it'll automatically shut off. Some take 2, some take 1 minute. It all depends what the factory decided to program in the vehicle for when the alarm fires off, that it will recycle. This shock sensor add-on was installed in Miami, Florida. I'll repeat the number again. That's 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you, and we hope that everybody's health is in good condition. Thank you for watching this video.